Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Greetings, this is Takeyce, your reggae fusion artist, lady who wears many wraps and colourful ones at that. No watch a little big thing, and this Sankey Emma sing, Careface is gonna be alright. Oh, 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 we gonna rise above and smile to the skies. We gonna rise above this. Careface, you're gonna rise above this. I am also a DJ and radio host on CKUT's 90.3 FM in Montreal. My program, which is called The Multilingual Affair. I've been singing since I was so young. My mum is Claudelle Clarke, Jamaica's pioneer of gospel. So I started off, seeing my mum live. Pretty much, the Bob Marley days and so on, where she was on stage. That really helped me to decide to go towards this path. And I want to say a big shout out to Masani for putting on this great production. Also for Sister Fest. It's a great thing to honor women, especially black women out there. We suffer a lot. We have gone through so much, and we're so underrated. So it's time to rise. You can find me at Takeyce. Just Google Takeyce, Takeyce, and look out for my new single coming out, which is called Everything Is Gonna Be Alright, and I think you'll love it. Big up to everyone, much love and light.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.